Number practice 20. Review 20, the value of 20. Friends, we are at the end of our review. We are going to practice the number 20 today, and that is the last number in our number book. 20. 20 is two whole sets of 10. So we have 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So we no longer have the number 1 there. We need to represent by saying two whole tens. Now a 2 looks like this. And if we just write a 2, it equals 1, 2. But when we want to write 20, we have to represent that fact that it is two whole tens. So you need the 2, and then you need the 0 in the ones place. 0 ones, 2 tens. And that is what the number 20 looks like. When we write the word 20, we start with a T. It has a T and a W. It makes the twa, TW, twa sound. And then an E and an N and a T. Make sure your T's are tall, and a Y. The Y in the word 20 sounds like an E. T, W, E, N, T, oopsie, and a Y, which sounds like an E, 20. Okay, all right, now we're going to look and hunt for the number 20, and we will find as many as we can. 20. We have one right off the bat. 20, 0, 29, 1, 3, 7, 19, 20, 10, 14, 9, 21, 5, 7, 12, 20, 25, 3, 9, 8, 1, 20. 8, 20. You should be able to read these numbers now by heart, knowing all of them. That'll be very helpful for first grade. 24, 3, 0, 5, 4, 20. 20, right again. 0, 5. 0, 3, 1, 20. 13, 9, 25. 2, 4, 26, 20. Okay, so we found all the 20s, and you've had a great time practicing naming those numbers. Lots of good review. Okay, so today is your last number page where you're going to have to show the value of a number in many different ways. The value today is 20, and you are going to draw 20 stars in the sky. 20 stars, and there's a little moon there for you. Okay, so let's first start, of course, with our tallies. So we need to have sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And I know that 10 plus 10 is 20. So I'm going to need 4 groups of 5. 4 groups of 5 tally marks will equal 20. So let's do that here, and let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 is 2 whole sets of 10. 20. 20 is also 4 5s. 5 plus 5 plus 5 again. That's 15. Plus 5 again. And this is what we've done before in class when we call it skip counting. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And if we take the plus signs out, we can just write 5, skip count to 10, skip count to 15, and then skip count one more time, plus 5 more, 20. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, drawing stars in the sky, friends. Let's make some pretty blue stars. You can make triangles like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you make 4 sets of 5, you will end up with 20 stars. Let's move this down a little bit so we have some more room. So you want to do as many stars as possible to represent your 20, and you might want to do some stars big enough to do math problems inside them. That's up to you, but you are in charge of doing the stars. Now, if you can't make the stars like this, maybe you want to make your stars just kind of like this so that you can just have a star. Sometimes you can make stars by drawing one triangle that way and then another triangle upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lots of different ways. So now I have 5, 10, and then we can draw some more. 11, 12, whoopsie, 13, 14, 15. Let's count up our stars so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many stars do I need to have now, friends? I need 5 more stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was fun today. The last day I thought, let's draw all 20 stars. Okay, don't forget though, I do want you to challenge yourself to try to think mathematically and to make some problems up that equal 20 as well. So let's say you did 10 plus 10. That could also give you 20. Okay, you could do an up and down math problem where you have the numbers above each other like that. That equals 20. Okay, what other ways could you show 20? Maybe you could do a subtraction problem. You could have 30 marshmallows. Okay, 30 marshmallows. And then you eat 10 marshmallows. And then you're left with 20 marshmallows. Okay, so challenge yourself today on your very last number book day to be as mathematical as you can, be as creative as you can to show what 20 is. What is the value of 20?